All right, Robot, here's a story. I actually bought and installed the cheapest barn door hardware kit on Amazon. And there it is right back there. This is a video about what happened and how it looks. All right, so here's the story. This is 6 feet long. There are 5 of these supports which hold it out from the wall. You've got to drill holes in that 2x6 so that we can screw these things into it one at a time, sort of. And then those things go over the top of it. These are your hooks for your door. They go like that somehow, and you attach the door to it. We got flexibility because we haven't built our door yet. It looks like we have to go in there and measure this out and drill it. There it is. Looks like there's a little dip in it right there, but that shouldn't hurt anything. We'll find out. We might have to adjust that out later. We'll work much better with some straight piece of angle iron, but you know, it would have been harder to ship across the Pacific Ocean. Looks like there's a low spot. But then that's good. Kind of proud of that.